Good day, everyone. My name is Mary Joyce Pallanan, and the topic that was given to me is advantages of digital learning resources and the advantages of non-digital learning resources. So we have a 7 advantages of digital learning resources, which are up-to-date materials, accessibility, time saving, collaboration, increased motivation, monitoring, and statistics. So the first one is up-to-date material. So we all know that we are here in 21st century, that there's so many technology that evolving nowadays. So with the help of the digital, we can easily up-to-date materials. We can get easily information that updated or latest information, especially in Google or in social media or any social media platforms. And the second one is accessibility. So from the word itself, accessibility, we can access the information that we want with the help only of our technology or our gadget. When we have a data, we can search in the Google, and even if we need the file in our phone, with the help of our technology, we can open or we can get the information that we wanted. The third one is time saving. So I believe that digital learning resources, it is a time saving, especially when we are searching for the information, like before, unlike before, that we when the students are searching something, they need to read the whole book, they need to read the whole table of contents just to find a related information in their topic. But nowadays, just we need only to search it in a search bar, and the information that we want, or the related information is will show. And the fourth one is collaboration. So the best example of collaboration here in digital learning resources, and when we are undergoing pandemic era, like we can have a classes in online classes, and also the government, they can meet and they can proceed to their meeting with the help of technology in Gmeet, in Zoom, like that. So through that, there is a collaboration. Even though it's digital, but there is still a collaboration, because they can share information that they need. They can share ideas or thoughts that they have to solve a problem or a specific problem. And the fifth one is increased motivation. So we all know that our future students are elementary grade, that they call pupils, because they are learning by their visual. So increase motivation. So with the help of digital learning resources that we can create in our part of the discussion, we can create a educational animated or animated video or educational animated video. So through that, we can catch the attention of our students, we can get their attention and help them to increase their motivation to learn, their motivation to listen in our discussion. And the sixth one is monitoring and statistics. So in monitoring, with the help of digital, we can monitor our students easily, like um, viewing their scores, and also um, knowing the part that they need to improve, or knowing the part that they are good, especially um, to the part that their skills that they need to improve. And statistics nowadays, that we are in third year college, that we are undergoing in researching. So in statistics, it helps us to get the result of the answer of our respondents, because before, the researchers need to tally specific or one by one the result of the answer of the respondents. But today, we can easily get the statistic, we can easily get the data, and not only the data, but technology also, or digital also, um, helping us to get the graph, or yes, helping us to get the graph of the data that we want, or the statistics that we have. And also the seventh one is environmentally friendly. So we all know that the digital learning resources it's all about digital and technology. So through that, we can lessen the use of papers, right? So we all know that papers came from trees and came from our environment. So when we use a digital learning resources, we are lessen the use of trees or papers. That's why we can environmentally friendly, and that's the advantages of digital learning resources. Now, let's proceed in advantages of non-digital learning resources. Now, we are going to advantages of non-digital learning resources. So, we have a five advantages of non-digital. The first one is in-person learning. Like this, we can see, we can communicate to our teachers, to our students, we can active participate in our discussion, in the groupings. So there is a person or in-person learning, unlike in online class that we have years ago. And the second one is make us more creative. So before, when we need something, we are all by ourselves, like with the help of our group mates, we are brainstorming, sharing ideas, sharing thoughts to do the project or to do the presentation, right? So unlike before, that I mean unlike today, that we can get easily information, ideas in social media, and there is no creative. Our creativeness is not involving or not improving. Unlike before, it make us more creative because we are using our brain to think. We are using our critically, or our critical thinking to think. And through that, it make us more creative. And the third one is social skills. So non-digital learning resources, social skills, because there is no barrier like technology to be part of one group. So through that, there is a social skills, or our social skills is improving because through the absence of technology. The fourth one is experiential learning, like what John Dewey said, experience by doing, or experience to experience by doing. Like in non-digital learning resources, when we have a project, we are we are getting information in technology and social media, and we are not getting the idea only. We are not getting the idea only, but the whole video, we copied it just to make the product that we wanted. But in non-digital learning resources, it make us more experiential learning, improve our experiential learning, because it allow us to think by ourselves, it allow us to experience by ourselves that to solve the problem. And the fifth one is scholarly content with the validation process. So we all know that the all books in library are undergo in validation process, because nowadays we are not sure 100% in the information in information in the social media, in the Google, that we are not 100% sure 100% sure if those information are undergo invalidation process. So, but the advantages of non-digital learning resources is we are 100% sure that all books that publish is undergo in validation process and have a scholarly content. That's all, and that is the advantages of digital learning resources and advantages of non-digital learning resources. Again, my name is Pallanan Mary Joyce from BA Gen 3C.